Hi there, this is our Union horizontal boring machine. Big older machine, coming out of a working situation that restructured. It's a complete machine with a nice late model DRO system on it, 3 axes. That's all working good, and everything's running good as I'll run through with you. The only thing apparently is I've noticed that one of the gear selections doesn't work in one range, and apparently when it was run on its very fastest speed, the main spindle would start to show signs of binding up. And so obviously they've kept it to its low and mid speed ranges. Anyway, I'll run through it. You can start it on the pendulum, which is working, or obviously the main switchboard here. I'll just start the motor up and run you through the feeds first. So that's the rotation of the top table going that way, lever in and out. And then if this engages the feed, and if you do that's the rapid of the table in the opposite direction. And now we've got that's the feed going here for the main table, the cross table. It's coming towards you now, and if I rapid it, it'll go the opposite direction, which will be in. And if I change that, I can rapid it out. Same with the rotation. Rapid one way, rapid the other, and the feed either way. So those are those two. Now I'll get the table longitude feeding. So at the moment that's feeding towards me. So if I rapid it, it'll rapid that way, which it is. And now if I change that direction, I can rapid it towards me and feed away from me. That's all working. Going up at the moment, and if I rapid it, it'll go down, rapid down, which it did. And if I change direction, it means it's feeding down at the moment, and if I rapid it, it'll rapid up. Which it is. Now I can go to the spindle, and that's the main spindle going in on the feed. Rapid out, and it's feeding out now, and then I will rapid it in. Rapid in, and now I've got the facing head here feeding downwards, and again if I rapid that, then the rapid face head is going up, and change directions, the face head is going up now, and just rapid it down. So those were pretty much all the feeds. The main spindle quill moves in and out nicely. It's a 3 axes. This is the up and down. That moves nicely, and the DRO is working nice. Longitudinal, away from me and towards me. The DRO is working nicely on that. Cross slide going in, DRO is registering that. And the table rotation, DRO doesn't register that, but that's turning nicely both ways. So that's the manual feeds. They work nicely, the normal feeds and all the axes. and the rapids are all working. The wee jog switches work on it, etc. It's got a coolant system, this one, and that's working well. Alright, well, time to I'll show you the spindle and the facing cutter through its ranges. Just wait for that to stop. And that there will engage the spindle. So that's the spindle running, and it's at quite a low speed. We'll try and speed that up a little bit. Okay. Yep. Alright, that's one gear. Another one, see the spindle there, it's ticking over nicely. I'll start the facing cutter up. That's it there, so it started there, change gears. So that's both of them running, spindle and face cutter. Next range, faster. So that's running at 630. Both of them ticking over. Change gears on there. Change the spindle and the facing cutter. Slower. And faster range. Yeah, so there it is. There is one gear range on the spindle that doesn't work. Apparently when it's in the very, very fastest speed, it's showing signs of tightening up on the main spindle bearing by the sound of it. But yeah, a good complete machine, older but got a good DRO on it, good feeds and rapids, good solid German made borer.